Good morning, students. Today we will continue our chapter number 2, Tangerine the Wasp. We have finished our 2 pages of it. Now we are on the last page. I'll give you a short summary of what we have read in last 2 classes. There was a wasp named Tangerine who lived in the Bangalore, a valley between the hills, which was covered with vineyards and olive groves. He did not like war because of many reasons. It used to ruin their nests, it also ruined their landscape. So he never liked wars. One day there was a war in the battlefield and he thought of saving his nests. So he decided to do something. He went to the field to see what can be done. He saw General Blowhardy there on the horseback on a high hill, watching the battle from there. All the messengers were coming and going and telling the news to him. He was a man of importance, so Wasp decided to do something. He wanted to bite him on his nose, but that would make no difference for the Wasp because he will even fight then also. So he decided to sting horse. He stung the horse in the backside of him, and when he stung, the horse started running. Now we will read it chapter further. The results were instantaneous and astounding. The horse gave one bound and shot off down the hill with me and the general as fast as he could go. By the time the armies were on their way towards the center of the valley, I crawled along the horse's flank and stung him in another place. Then he went further still. Where did he got the idea of stinging the horse? He stung the horse first, and then what did happen? The horse ran so fast from the battlefield. The results were instantaneous and astounding means बहुत ही instant result था और बहुत अच्छा result था. Okay. And उसके बाद उसने उसको काटा तो वो बहुत दूर तक हिल में, और वो Wasp was also on the horse and general was also on the horse, and the horse ran so fast only when Wasp bit him for the first time. And by the time armies were on their way towards the center of the valley, जब आर्मीज़ निकल चुकी थी लड़ने के लिए, वहाँ से अपने अपने कैंप्स से निकल चुकी थी टू फाइट ईच अदर, एट दैट टाइम द Wasp stung the horse. Okay, so he just ran away from the hill and ran so fast to he ran so fast in any direction, and that too away from the hill. Okay. And then what the Wasp do when he was running? After some time he was on the normal way. Like पहले तो तेज़ भागा था, फिर थोड़ा स्लो हो गया था वो. But then when he slowed down, the Wasp bit him again at another place. Then he went further still. फिर वो और तेज़ ज़ोर से भागने लगा जल्दी. Okay. Now we will do the next para. When we reached the level in the bottom of the valley where the cavalry were already charging, I stung him a third time. On and on he went, straight across the flat and up the other slope. When the horse was running, he bit him second time. Then he ran further. और जब वो बिल्कुल वैली के बिल्कुल नीचे आ गया, जहाँ पे लड़ाई बिल्कुल शुरू होने वाली थी, ओके, उसने उसको तीसरी बार काट लिया. And then again he ran to the hill top and then again down. Okay. Seeing their famous general in full flight, leaving the battlefield at Goodness, knows how many miles an hour, the Bombasterians were completely disheartened and demoralized, and they took to their heels, and that was the end of the battle. जब कोई लड़ाई होती है तो उसका जो मेन पर्सन होता है ना, दैट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. इम्पॉर्टेंट क्यों होता है? बिकॉज अगर वो पर्सन वहाँ, अगर जैसे वो पर्सन मर जाए या वो पर्सन भाग जाए, तो इवन इफ देयर इज़ अ बिग आर्मी, देन ऑल्सो दे विल नॉट विन, बिकॉज इट इज़ द मेन मेजर पर्सन हु इज़ द इंचार्ज ऑफ द फाइट. ओके, यहाँ क्या हुआ? जनरल वॉज द इंचार्ज. व्हेन द Vaps bit the horse started running, and running he actually ran very far from the battlefield. और जब वहाँ पे उन्होंने अपने जनरल को भागते हुए देखा, दैट टू इन सो मच हरी, सो मच एट सो मच स्पीड, द होल आर्मी वॉज डिसहार्टेंड. मतलब उसको बहुत बुरा लग गया. डिसहार्टेंड मतलब दिल टूट गया, और डिमोरलाइज्ड मतलब उनका जो वो देवर लाइक वेरी गुड ना, देवर वॉट भी पहले पन्ने पढ़ा था ना, बिल्कुल वो बिल्कुल जीतने के लिए रेडी थे. वो उनका मोराल बहुत डाउन हो गया जब उन्होंने अपने जनरल को भागते हुए देखा. एंड देन इट वॉज द एंड ऑफ द बैटल, बिकॉज उनका जनरल ही भाग गया. देन वॉट कुड द आर्मी डू अलोन? एंड दस इट वॉज द एंड ऑफ द बैटल. बॉम्बास्टेरियंस वर नॉट Bombasterians did not win the battle. Okay, who won the battle? The other one, Smitharians. Now we will read the last para. The general of the Smitharians got no end of decorations and honors for the victory of the Bunkaluru, but Tangerine ended modestly. It was, as you see, really I who had won the battle. Now I would like little more marmalade, please. फिर बैटल ख़त्म हो गई. ऑब्वियसली बॉम्बार्डियन लॉस्ट द बैटल. देन हु वन इट? स्मिथेरियंस. दे वन इट, एंड उसके जनरल को बहुत सारे डेकोरेशन ऑनर्स मिले उस विक्ट्री के लिए, बिकॉज ही हैज़ वन द बैटल ऑफ पंकलूरू. बट टैंगरीन व्हाट डिड टैंगरीन से कि एक्चुअल में वो बैटल उसने जीती थी. इट वॉज ही हु हैड वन द बैटल. ओके, नाउ वी विल this story was written by Huck Lofting. Okay, now I hope you have understood the story. We will do the exercise also. Okay, first we will do comprehension exercises. Tick the correct option. The story about the Battle of Punkaluru brings out A option, stupidity of humans, B, the intelligence of the Vaps, C, the fact that wars are a waste. बैटल ऑफ बंकलूरू से हमें क्या पता चलता है? ओके, ये स्टोरी हमें क्या बताती है? फर्स्ट, कि ह्यूमंस बहुत स्टूपिड होते हैं. सेकंड, जो वैप्स है वो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट था. थर्ड, कि वॉर्स वेस्ट होती हैं. द आंसर इज सेकेंड वन, द इंटेलिजेंस ऑफ द वैप्स. ओके, now we will do the second. The qualities of Tangerine reflected in his जो टैंगरीन की क्वालिटी थी वो क्या थी? वैसे तो उसमें सारी क्वालिटीज़ थी, बट इट वॉज हिज मेन क्वालिटी. यस, ई ऑप्शन, मॉडेस्टी. विजडम मतलब सच्चाई. प्राइड मतलब उसको बहुत प्राउड होना अपने आप पे. ही वॉज प्राउड. ऐसा नहीं है वो प्राउड नहीं था, बट ही वॉज मोर मॉडेस्ट. ओके, इंटेलिजेंट तो वो था ही, एंड फियर ऑफ ह्यूमंस उसको था नहीं. ऑब्वियसली ही डिडंट लाइक ह्यूमन, बट ही डिडंट फियर ह्यूमंस. ओके, एंड मॉडेस्टी. नाउ वी विल डू द बी. List all the reasons why did Tangerine disapprove of wars. See, this is your homework. Okay, there are 3 reasons to be listed. One I will tell you. Okay, one is it ruined their landscape. जो उनका सुंदर सा लैंडस्केप था ना, उसका वो ख़राब कर देते थे. ओके, आपको यहाँ पे 3 रीज़न लिखने हैं कि टैंगरीन को वॉर्स क्यों पसंद नहीं थी. ओके, नाउ वी विल डू fill in the blanks. First question, it never seemed to dash anything. Second, we called him dash because he kept blowing all the time. Third, I felt so dash as I watched him there dash out his pompous orders. Fourth, I hopped onto the horse behind the general and dashed the poor fellow on the flank. Fifth, the general of the Smithsonians got no end of dash. Okay, I have read all the fill in the blanks. I'll not tell the answers because these are direct fill in the blanks from the chapter. I want you to try it first. Okay, children? Now we will do the true or false. First, Tangerine Waps won the Battle of Punkaluru. It is true. Second, the battlefield of Punkaluru was situated in a sandy desert. This is false. It was situated in a valley between the hills. Okay? Third, Tangerine felt that his nest should be defended. True. तो उसको लगा था ना उसका नेस्ट ख़राब हो जाता है, बार बार लड़ाइयाँ होती हैं तो, and he wanted to defend his nest. Fourth, General Blowhardy was the field marshal of the Smithsonian Army. General Blowhardy किसके field marshal थे? Yes, it was not of the Smithsonian Army, it was of the Pompestarians. So fourth one is false. Fifth one, the general of the Smithsonians received many honors for victory in the battle. True. Last paragraph की जो first line है ना, the general of the Smithsonians got no end of decoration and honors for the victory of Punkaluru. Okay, so this fifth also is true. Now I will just read out the answer to the following questions. First question, why was the Waps given the name of Tangerine? Waps को Tangerine का नाम क्यों दिया था? Tangerine एक टाइप का जूस टाइप का होता है, मार्मलेड होता है. वो किससे बनता है? एक टाइप के ऑरेंज से, Tangerine ऑरेंज से. ओके, और उसको जो जिसका ये पेट था Waps, उसको वो ये बहुत पसंद था. That's why he gave him the name of Tangerine. Second question, which battle has been narrated in the story? कौन सी बैटल के बारे में बताया गया है? Battle of Punkaluru. Third question, why had the general stood on the high point on the hill? General वहाँ high point पे क्यों खड़ा था? Because he wanted to have a nice view of the war. उसको देखना था कि war कैसे चल रही है. ठीक है. Fourth, why did Tangerine wanted to apologize to the horse? Tangerine ने जब हॉर्स को काटा था उसको ऐसा क्यों लगा था उसको अपोलोजाइज करना चाहिए? Because he had really stung him hard and on. Fifth question, why did Tangerine say that it was he who had won the battle? Why did he say that it was not general of Smithsonians, it was Tangerine who had won the battle? Because it was Tangerine who made the general of Pompestarians, General Blowhardy, ran away from the battle, and thus the other army won it. Okay, now we will do this vocabulary. I will read you the question. Sometimes when you hear a word, you immediately think of another one. Write down the first word you think of when you read the given words. Okay, I will tell you answers of 1 or 2 and remaining you will do as homework. I will send you the PDF of the answers, then you can check it. Okay, the first one is doctor. Doctor is related to medicine. Second is hospital. Hospital is related to nurse. और आप इसके अलावा भी कोई आंसर लिख सकते हो, बस मेक श्योर इट इज़ करेक्ट. ओके. What is third? Engine. Oil. Okay. Fourth is tiger. National animal. Okay, I told you now fourth. Remaining 6 you will do as your homework. Now I will read you G. Below are some words taken from the story. Write them in your notebook and then look in the dictionary to find out what they mean. Use them in sentences of your own. You just need to know their meanings from the dictionary. Okay, you can Google them and write the meaning, or you can just find it out from your dictionary. Okay children, so we have completed our chapter 2, the Battle of Bangalore. I hope you understood the chapter and the story. We have also completed the exercise of it. I have given you some homework also. Please complete it. I'll send you the answers by the evening. Thank you.